Hey everybody. So I'm not usually one to do workout videos, but I do work out regularly, and I thought it might be good to share one of my routines with you guys so you guys can do it with me. Now this one is specifically working on the core or your abs. I've just actually been on a run, so I've already kind of got the adrenaline going. But if you want to do that, go ahead, do a little run, kind of get that adrenaline working for you. And then go ahead and do this core ab workout with me, and hopefully it works for you at home or wherever it is you choose to work out. So we'll go ahead and start here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to start with a plank. Now don't be discouraged if you can't do this for the full amount of time. We're going to go ahead and do it for 60 seconds here, and then we'll move on. These are going to go pretty quick, so I'll try to kind of let you know what we're doing as we go. But I'm also going to try and count them out for us. Okay, so 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000, 16 1,000, 17 1,000, 18 1,000, 19 1,000, 20 1,000, 21 1,000, 22 1,000, 23 1,000, 24 1,000. 26, 1,000, 27, 28, 1,000, 29, 1,000, 30, 1,000, 31, 1,000, 32, 1,000, 33, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 35, 1,000, 36, 1,000, 37, 1,000, 38, 1,000, 39, 1,000, 40, 1,000, 41, 1,000, 42, 1,000, 43, 1,000, 44, 1,000, 45, 1,000, 46, 1,000, 47, 1,000, 48, 1,000, 49, 1,000, 50, 1,000, 51, 1,000, 52, 1,000, 53, 1,000, 54, 1,000, 55, 1,000, 56, 1,000, 1,000, 58, 1,000, 59, 1,000, 60, 1,000. All right. So that was a nice little challenge to begin. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and do these. Just put your legs out kind of in an arc like this in front of you, and then just go across. And let's go ahead and do 35 of these. I'm cheating a little bit, I'm getting a little extra, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now usually what I'll do is I'll do 30 on each side, but we're going to go ahead and take it a little bit easier today. All right, and now we're just going to do an in and out here with our legs in front of us. Let's go ahead and do 40 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now I go at kind of a rapid pace. That's because I want to get you sweating, because we're not doing a really good workout unless we're actually sweating at it, yeah? So that's what I'm trying to do here. All right, took a little bit of rest there. Now we're going to go into Spider-Man planks. And let's go ahead and do 30 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do a plank with hip dips. And let's go ahead and do 25 of these. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, I did 5 more just because I wanted to do 15 on each side. If you want to do 30, you can. Otherwise, just do the 25 and then take a little bit of a break. Because then we're going to go ahead and go right back to these, because these are kind of a nice way to break it up. So let's go ahead and do 30 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. Okay, so we did 30 of those. And now these are just kind of a roll up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay flat on your back here, and then you're just gonna go ahead and bring your knees up and meet yourself right here in the middle, like this. Now let's go ahead and do 20 of these, because these are a little bit harder, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, that was good, right? As you can see, I'm not using a mat just because I myself prefer not to. Concrete's fine for me. If you want to use a mat, I would recommend go ahead and doing that. We're just taking a little bit of a break here before we finish up this set. So we're going to go ahead and finish it up where we started with planking. And we're going to go ahead and try and do that for 60 seconds again, and that will be our last one here, okay? Let's finish strong. Remember, if you're not sweating, it's not really a workout. Here we go. Okay, count it out with me. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 1,000, 17, 18, 1,000, 19, 1,000, 20, 1,000, 21, 1,000, 22, 1,000, 23, 1,000, 24, 1,000, 25, 1,000, 26, 1,000, 27, 1,000, 28, 1,000, 29, 1,000, 30, 1,000, 31, 1,000, 32, 1,000, 33, 1,000, 34, 1,000, 35, 1,000, 36, 1,000, 37, 1,000, 38, 1,000, 39, 1,000, 40, 1,000, 41, 1,000, 42, 1,000, 43, 1,000, 44, 1,000, 45, 1,000, 46, 1,000, 1,000, 48, 1,000, 49, 1,000, 50, 1,000, 51, 1,000, 52, 53, 1,000, 54, 1,000, 55, 1,000, 56, 1,000, 57, 1,000, 58, 1,000, 59, 1,000, 60, 1,000. Alrighty, folks, and there you have it. Like I said, you can take that a little bit slower if you need to. I tried to talk a little bit more in between segments just to give you some time. But there's your workout for today, and there's my workout for the day. Thanks for joining me.